Okay, so when you are pulling in and putting the car in car wash mode, you have to first put it in neutral and then put it in car wash mode, and it will retract the mirrors, right? Okay.
Yes.
All right, let's do that. So, all right, so let's see if we can get that done. So I click here, right? Here, and then we have car wash mode. I'll wait until I get a little further up.
All right, let's put it in neutral.
Okay, it's in neutral. Turn on.
Press brake. Press your brake.
All
right.
So just one move your hand. Put foot on the brake.
Yes, it's on brake. It's in neutral.
It's neutral.
Yes.
All right, take feet off the brake.
All right, so we are in the car wash mode.
I'm gonna do touch this